dreamed of more than just survival. While others saw poverty, he saw a training ground. Every mountain he climbed was a step toward destiny. Then the heavens opened. Lord Hanuman looked down upon the boy who would not quit. With a celestial blessing, the boy was reborn. The strength of a god entered the heart of a lion. In the bright lights of the octagon, the world saw what the mountains knew. The Lion of Nepal had arrived. Against all odds, the dream was realized. A champion for his people, a hero for the ages.
नाम हो रविन्द्र दाहाल, एक योद्धा, एक सपना, पुरै नेपालको आशा। तर दाहाल केज भित्र प्रवेश गर्छ, त्यो केवल एउटा फाइटरको प्रवेश हुँदैन, त्यो नेपालको गर्वको प्रवेश हुन्छ। अब सबैको नजर मकाउतिर छ। भदौ 28 गते रोड टु UFC। रविन्द्र दाहाल, नेपालको गौरव, नेपाल